Hi coffee beans! How's it brewing? Welcome back for another doll unboxing and review video. I don't know about you guys, but I have been absolutely bombarded on YouTube with ads for these dolls! The FailFix dolls. Now, I started seeing these commercials on YouTube maybe like 2 months ago, and they weren't even released in stores yet. They were only pre-order on Amazon. But when I went to Target, I saw this beautiful girl on the top shelf, and it's actually the one that I wanted. This is Kawaii Qtee. And as you guys know, I love everything kawaii. When I saw her in the commercials and when I saw her online, I was like, I need her. She must be mine. I want her so bad. And the thing that intrigues me the most about these dolls is the faceplate. I want to know how the face situation works, because you could potentially customize 2 different faces and then you can switch out her face. I don't know if that's the case. I really want to see if that works. Now these dolls, I don't think it shows it on here. I think there are like 5 or 6 other dolls in the line. I know one of them is kawaii, and I know another one is like trendy or posh or something like that, and she's blonde and kind of has like a schoolgirl look, but she's the one I wanted, so I'm really happy she was on the shelf. Now, the whole theme with these is that your girl, in this case it's Kawaii Qtee, is going out tonight, whether it's a party or a date or whatever, and she tried to follow online beauty tutorials, and I think we can all think of a certain YouTube channel that rhymes with or room that she may have been watching the tutorials on, and it messed up her face. She didn't do it right, so it's up to us to turn her from this to this. And I believe the idea is you put this little mask, it's supposed to be like face wash, on her messed up face, and it takes it off and it gives you the nice face. I'll give you guys a close-up in a minute. And I was seeing down here as well that there are a few different looks we can get: day, sparkle, or evening. I'm not sure if that's everything we get or if those are options, because it does say evening ? And then over here it does tell us the content. So it's 1 doll, 1 outfit, 1 pair of shoes, 1 earring set, 1 necklace, 1 spa mask, 1 removable failed face, 1 brush, 2 pom-pom hair clips, 3 hair clips, 4 elastics, a doll stand. I'm so happy that there's a doll stand, and a how-to guide. So, oh, and it's from Moose! Oh, I like Moose. So, Moose is the ones who make Shopkins. So if you're familiar with Shopkins, which I love Shopkins, that's from Moose. You can kind of see her face is sort of messed up, and that's the look we're going for. So let's go ahead and open her and try to fix her makeup. I really don't think I opened her the way she was intended to be opened. We'll be extra careful and not lose these elastics. And then I'm going to just take out our doll stand. I love when dolls come with doll stands because I want to be able to stand them up and pose them. Oh, and this seems pretty sturdy. Got our brush. It says FF for FailFix. Really wide bristles, and this is like super hard plastic. Like, these are not very flexible, so we'll have to be careful when we brush her hair. Now these are the little hair clips, and it's interesting because it actually comes with, oh no, it's just telling you what it is. I thought maybe this little picture was explaining how to put them on, but it's just kind of letting you know what they are. They're like little kind of faux odongo or space buns. So they're kind of like a fuzzy material, kind of like felt, and then they unsnap like that. And I mean, truthfully, you could probably put these in your own hair. I think it is time finally to take her out. This is one of the surprises. I mean, just removing this is one of the surprises. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I finally got it. Here's the little bubble mask. What is really cool is this actually, I know it's supposed to click onto the faceplate and you're supposed to like snap it on, but it actually doesn't have any visible snaps. So that really kind of adds to the magic of how it works. That's really cool. Okay, so there was the first reveal on accident, sort of, is her outfit, which is this really cute, kind of sugary sweet sweater. Has a little girl blowing kiss bubble. This is really super cute. And I love how it looks like icing is dripping down. Totally adds to like the kawaii decora aesthetic. Now let's see what we got in her hair. So we have one shoe. We got her shoes. These are so cute! They're very, very rubbery, so it might be difficult to paint a new design on them. You can see like a little fake star. This one has a bow. Besides the paint job on the bow, these are actually really nice quality. I mean, the detail's really, really nice. So a necklace. Does it glow in the dark? It looks like it might glow in the dark. I'm gonna leave it under my light and see if it glows. We also got these two little earrings, which are really stinking cute. It's like a heart, a star, and a heart. This reminds me of Sailor Moon a lot. And then we got these little clips, which is so decora. I love it. So let me take them out. You can tell that's the video she was watching, was how to dress decora. Look at how cute. You could even put these in your hair. They're so cute. This is some crispy hair. I don't know if I trust brushing it. I feel like I might want to wash them. But you know what? I am too excited. Let's remove this faceplate. Before we do though, I'll let you get a better look at how she looks. So like her eye makeup got messed up, her eyebrows got messed up, her cheek paint got messed up, her lips got messed up. She is just not fantastic at doing makeup. Like me, I am not fantastic at doing makeup. Alright, let's see the faceplate in action. Alright, it's supposed to click over the ears, like that. And then... Oh my goodness! Look at how pretty she is! Wow! I love her. I love her so much. Is her head vinyl too? Feels like it. But here is the other face. This is for sure plastic though, so you could not put acetone on this. But you could buff it off. And in case you were wondering, the lips are molded like that. You can see on the inside, they're molded kind of sideways like that. But look at how cute she is. She has these like inset eyes, which are really pretty. And interestingly, like even looking in the viewfinder, they look like they're set far away from her face, but they're really not. They're pretty flush with it, but it's actually kind of hard to show. I think that's the clear plastic coating of the actual eye makes it look like they're far away from the skin, but it's not. It's all flush. And I like that her eyes, the inset eyes, actually look cute. They don't look creepy like the Liv dolls. Those ones, those inset eyes are weird. Or like the Snap Stars, those eyes are a little weird. These ones are super cute. I really like these. I bet there is a way we could open up the back of her head and move the eyes around so that they could look like they're looking in different directions. And I'm really curious what the body looks like. Oh, cute! So it's very, very soft plastic. I mean, everything is articulated, just like a Monster High doll, except for the ankles. But her shoulders, her elbows, her wrists, everything is articulated there. Can her head move in good directions? Not really. Oh, well, I guess it yeah, alright. I guess her head can kinda. It can't really lean too much. You have to really put a lot of pressure on it. It can't really look down. So the head actually doesn't really move that much. The legs were like this, but if you see, her legs are kind of pigeon-toed now. Her knees are. So if I turn the knees so that they aren't, you can see the inside joints. That makes me nervous that they're gonna pop out. Now, let's test. I am not confident about brushing this hair. Oh no. Okay, that's not gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do is actually take her and wash and shampoo and condition her hair, just like you would if you were getting a doll from a thrift shop, or if your doll had a lot of glue, which this one does to style it. And that'll make her hair really nice and soft and luxurious. So I will take care of that, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and look at how beautiful her hair is! Oh, the washing treatment just absolutely made such a huge difference on her hair. It is so soft and like silky smooth. So if you've never washed doll hair before, it's really easy. What I like to do is wash the hair under warm water with some baby shampoo like Johnson & Johnson. And I also kind of soak it a little bit if there's a lot of glue like there was for this one. But look at how beautiful. Okay, well, after a lot of convincing, I finally got her hair into this. Not any fault of the doll, fault of me. I just could not get it styled. Having an off day. So, let's continue with her cute accessories. She's definitely kind of a Decora girl. Oh no, I cannot get these earrings in at all. I tried making it a little bit bigger with the toothpick, but it just bends the little earring post. There is just, like, no way. So I guess she's just gonna have to go without earrings. Well, after the travesty that was the Hair-Mazing Hair-Dorables doll, I absolutely love this FailFix doll. She is just so darn cute, and I cannot wait to potentially give her a whole makeover, to really give her a fail fix. One of my favorite things about this doll is her eyes. When I saw these dolls online initially, I thought the inset eyes might be kind of weird, kind of like the Liv dolls or those Snap Star dolls, but these are not. They actually look really, really nice. They don't look cross-eyed or creepy at all. Well, if you're new to the doll world, or you just love to collect dolls, or if you're looking for a doll to give a makeover to, I definitely recommend these FailFix dolls. If you see one at the store, definitely swipe it up. There's a lot of different dolls out there, and they are all super cute, so I say go for it. I think I'm definitely going to be adding a few more to my collection. I think this girl definitely needs a name. According to FailFix, her username is @Kawaii Qtee. But what's her real name? What do you think it should be? Comment below what name you think suits her best. I don't know why, but I keep going back to Claire or Samantha. but I'd love to hear your suggestions. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Those likes really help my channel out with YouTube's algorithm. And if you'd like to see more doll unboxings, makeovers, or other DIYs, make sure you subscribe. And click the little bell so you get notified as soon as I post. I upload every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks everyone! Love you, latte!